You've never seen such a master of sound effects. Using just a showerhead, a flashlight, and cardboard, he created an artificial downpour, so convincing it fooled the dog completely. One day, while hunting, the dog discovered a burrow. When he showed it off to his owner, the owner pulled him away. The next moment, a rabbit scurried out of the hole. It crept to the dog's house, eavesdropping on their plans for the next day. Upon hearing the hunters prepare to take the dog to his burrow for a hunt the following morning, the rabbit trembled in fear. That night, the rabbit crept into the dog's room, turned on the faucet, and placed a metal tray beneath it. The dog awoke to the sound, went to the kitchen to investigate, turned off the faucet and returned to sleep. The next moment, lights in the house began flickering uncontrollably. The dog discovered the chandelier switch was connected to the clock. He unscrewed the light bulb. An unbelievable sight appeared. With no other choice, he swallowed the bulb. He thought he could finally sleep, but the bulb inside his stomach wouldn't settle. It kept flickering and shifting in his eyes and ears. The rabbit pulled out a feather and tickled the dog's ears. He lit a candle and rose to search. The rabbit had swapped his candle for a bomb. The dog hadn't noticed yet. When he tried to blow out the candle to sleep, he found he couldn't extinguish it no matter what. The next second, the bomb exploded. His nose was injured. And so, all night long, the rabbit tormented the dog, but he had no reaction and left early the next morning. The dog brought his pillow to the burrow. All he wanted now was to sleep. Upon entering the burrow, he discovered the equally sleepy rabbit. The owner waited anxiously outside. In the end, the rabbit and the dog both fell asleep on the bed.